Hey guys, this is Mchiwe Maxon again, and in this tutorial I'm gonna be simply showing you how to upload your photos to Instagram on desktop, let it be Windows or Mac. And this is probably gonna be one of the easiest tutorials I've ever made, and let's just get down into it. The only thing you're gonna need for this is gonna be Google Chrome, because we're gonna be installing a Google Chrome extension called Desktop for Instagram, and I'm gonna leave the link down in the description below for you to download. And when you reach to this window here, all you have to do is just click on Add to Chrome and click Add Extension, and this is probably very easy. And once it tells you Desktop for Instagram has been added to Chrome, all you have to do is just simply click on this icon, and this icon will also show the number of notifications you have on your Instagram. So it will load Desktop for ig.devanco.com/app, and it will just simply load up your Instagram. As you can see, this is my Instagram account and it has loaded in the mobile version. You cannot only upload your photos, but okay, wait a minute, I did reload it somehow. You not only upload your photos, but you can also download photos very easily from Instagram. Like here, I could just click here and just download this photo to my computer, or just click here to open the photo in the new link. As you can see, the photo is downloaded onto my Mac, and I can also click there to open the photo in the new link. And I can also use the discover, but most importantly, let me first show you that you can upload images. And let's click open, and as you can see, it has opened my image. This was for my sister's baby shower. It was awesome, but no, let's just not get down to that. So you can add photos just as the Instagram app, but the only problem with this is that you can't scale the photo. You can't like resize it or just change it in any way. As when you choose it, just chooses the center of it and crops it, and there's nothing you can do about that. So after you choose your photos, you just can't edit anything here, so the edit is completely useless. You just click on next and it would upload it, but sadly I already uploaded this image. I already have it here. I already uploaded it on my Instagram, so can't re-upload it. And you can also discover. You can also use the discover feature, something like that. Yeah, discover people, something you don't have on the desktop Instagram version. So I'm gonna thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna probably end the tutorial here. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, because I'm gonna be uploading a lot of how-to videos. And leave a comment down below with a suggestion of a how-to, or if you didn't understand anything, and I'll probably catch you in the next video, guys.